Okay, so today I want to walk you through this trade I took on EURUSD, which made around $200 on a 10k prop firm account, or a prop firm challenge. So if we look at EG on the Wednesday, Euro GBP, we can see that we were clearly bullish. So Wednesday was right over here. So this trade, this candle right here is the one which made us actually bullish. Plus overall we had broken this swing high, then we broke this swing low, but overall we were bullish. So coming on to Wednesday 15th, what did we see here? Now this was a very clean trade. In terms of timings, it basically met every single timing criteria. If we look at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m, it fits in between, 7 a.m. being there and 10 a.m. being around there. Okay, so this trade was in our kill zone. Now, to just make me a bit smaller, what did we see? We saw a sweep of Asian low, which I'm drawing with this line right here, after kill zone, which is a very high probability characteristic. We saw that sweep, then afterwards we got this really nice break in market structure right here. This was one break in market structure, there was also another one right here. First one coming in at 722 and second one coming in at 726. After that, very simple, as I've said many times on this channel, I drew the fib from the swing low to the swing high, came into our EQ entry, and put my buy limit there. Stops, you could have had a 6.2 stop, a 7 pip stop. I went for an 8 pip stop just to give it some more breathing room, and then pretty much 1 to 2 was hit, which actually aligns a bit with the Asian high, so that's something to note as well. Usually once we take the Asian low, we go straight for the Asian high. Okay, so this was pretty much the trade, very simple trade, not much to be said, and it's just one of those ones where you just move on. I was on a losing streak, as I told you before, and I just had to stick to my plan, and now I'm out of the losing streak. Okay, so just backtest, test your data, get more confidence, and just trade the plan. Okay, this is very mechanical, very less thinking about it, just simple sweep, break in market structure, imbalance is created as well right here. If I'll just show it like this, imbalance 1, imbalance 2. So imbalances were created as well. Pretty much came EQ 1 to 2 fixed, and no emotions in this, and pretty much take profit was it. So that was a trade. Hope you got value out of it. If you want to join my free Discord, is the first link in the description below. That's all that needs to be said. Happy trading, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.